YouTube is about to put ads on your videos, whether you're monetized or not. G'day. Earlier in 2021, YouTube announced that everyone will be subject in the USA to paying tax if they create videos on YouTube. They did say at the time that this will also impact other countries, and now speaking from Australia, in the middle of this year it is going to happen here as well. As I say, whether you like it or not, there will be ads across your videos and you won't get a cent of that revenue unless you're monetized, which is a very good incentive to perhaps take on board some of the many tips I've given myself over the years about creating YouTube videos and getting it out there. Yeah, you want to be monetized if you can, so go the extra yard, put in the extra time with your content, tag it. Everything I've said, check out my YouTube help playlist. There are basic tips there if you want to grow your channel. It's not enough to say, please subscribe to my channel, because people don't. Less than 2% on average people will actually bother to click the little bell, and it's just the way it is. So you have to do your bit in adding tags so that the Google search engines will find it, because that way at least you'll be getting some of the money back. So now I've spoken to an accountant mate of mine, good mate of mine in the USA, who agrees with me that we can't really see that this is a legal thing, that they can tax non-US citizens for, okay, Google, or their parent company Alphabet, Google owns YouTube, and I fully understand that being a USA company, it's one of Bobo's mates has come here. I've got Bobo inside while I record, and he's calling him out. Anyway, I can't show you that right now. Google is a US company, so of course they have to pay US tax. But people that create videos like myself here in Australia, in my case, we're not US citizens. When they announced this at the beginning of the year, I did go online, I did fill in the US tax forms as best I could. I claimed an exemption. Whether that happens is, well, we'll see. But I can't legally see how they can tax a non-US citizen if they're not in the US, because when a country taxes you, you have the right to, make deductions, tax deductions. And being a non-citizen of the US, well, how can you do that? It's very difficult. It'll be interesting to see how this pans out. But like I say, I don't think they legally can. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. It was first brought to my attention by my mate Alan Spicer in the UK earlier this year. And since it's at the time of recording, the US tax season is finished, and in Australia we're just about to come into our tax time to put in your tax. So I thought it relevant to say it now. Anyway, watch this space, as they say. Check YouTube to see what their rules are. It may change, I don't know what they have in mind, but how often do we know what Google's up to next anyway? They change things all the time. Alright, cheers for now. See you soon.